Hi, my name is Juan Guzman. I'm in the business administration program, and I'm here today to talk to you guys about accounting, and most specifically about the people that make accounting happen every single day, which is going to be your CPAs and your CAs. Now, what does a CPA stand for? Well, a CPA stands for Certified Public Accounting, and they provide services to the public. Some of the services they provide include tax and accounting uh, advice. They also provide advice for businesses on financial decisions and a lot more. Uh, a CA stands for a chartered accountant, and according to Investopedia.com, it's given to accountants around the world except the US, and they perform exactly the same tasks as a CPA. So, what are the requirements to be a CPA? Well, there is no national CPA license, so each state has their own requirements for somebody to become a CPA. Those requirements differ state by state, but all of them required at least an undergraduate degree. They have to pass the uniform CPA examination, have state board experience requirements for licensure, and achieve 2 years of post-qualification practical work experience. Now, to become a chartered accountant, it differs country by country as well, but most of them also require at least a baccalaureate, which is an undergraduate degree. They also require for you to go through the ICAS CA qualification program and pass. And they also required at least 2 years or more of post-qualification relevant practical work experience. Now, what does this have to do with the topic of accounting? Well, about 2 months ago, on February 28th of 2018, there was an agreement signed by the IACPA and the NASBA. And the AICPA is the American Institute of CPAs and is the largest organization in the world with 418,000 members worldwide, all of them in the field of accounting, obviously. And the AICPA, they set the standards for accounting in private companies and nonprofit organizations around the world. Now, NASBA stands for the National Association of State Boards of Accountancy, and it's an association that serves all 55 boards that regulate accounting professions here in the U.S. So what that means is that each state has their own boards. So there's 50 boards for all 50 states, but there's 5 extra to include the District of Columbia, Puerto Rico, the U.S. Virgin Islands, Guam, and the Northern Mariana Islands. Now, what does the agreement have to do with? Well, the agreement essentially allowed U.S. CPAs to acquire CA credentials a lot easier and faster, so they can go on and work for companies that required a CA license opposed to a CPA license. It also allowed CAs to acquire their CPA license, again, easier and faster for the same purpose, so that way CAs could acquire jobs that from companies that require CPA licenses or requirements. Now, as stated by the ICPA president and CEO Barry Millenkin, he said that the agreement will help increase international recognition of U.S. CPAs in every corner in the world, essentially allowing U.S. citizens to get more jobs around the world and compete with other countries and such. And that is going to be it for my presentation. Thank you so much.